Okay, check this out. This is a small account that I have with only 4 million SHIB. Actually, I started out with 3 million, then we added a million not that long ago. And now I see the prices is completely undervalued. I'm going to get 20 more SHIB and build this small account up. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I want to show you that you can start small and continue rising up towards the top. Now, I have a wallet connect with my Trust wallet that's connected with this account, and I have 4 million SHIB. Now, at the bottom here, I can wolf out of this information here in terms of my Bone and my Ethereum, but it's too small right now, and I want to wait until that actually gets more in terms of the actually performance. So I'm going to go look to buy more SHIB. Why? Because it's on sale. Not financial advice, but it's one of those things I'm looking to do. So let's go buy more SHIB because it's on sale, and this is a smaller account, and I want to build this up as well. Now I'm going to swap Ethereum for Shiba Inu, and I should have some money that's still left in here. Now the first thing I actually did, not only did I connect to my wallet account, I do have my phone rear near hear me. So I have my phone here. This is actually the wallet account connect. But this is where I go. I go to CoinGecko to basically kind of project how much I'm going to spend. So I say, you know what? My budget's going to be $120, and that gets me 20 million SHIB. So that's what I'm looking to go ahead and spend. So I'm going to go back here and say, all right, let's go ahead and do this. So I'm going to go to SHIB right here. Very simple, very easy. I'm just looking to get 20 million SHIB. All right, that's 20 million SHIB. Three. So I'm looking to get 20 million SHIB. I'm going to swap this out. I have my wallet connect with my Trust wallet already set up here, and I'm going to swap this out. Very simple. Here are the fees, and I'm going to see how much these fees is going to be. So if I check my wallet account, the fees are, let's see here, 140. Boy, dang, these fees, oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get it because I definitely want to get this. So let me go back. I'm gonna adjust my budget. We're gonna say 15 million SHIB. Because I'm trying to save some in there for when I'm burying it. So I don't want to make sure. So I had to adjust my budget. 115.87. Actually, you know, it looked like the fees dropped. Well, these are about the same. So I'm going to go ahead and prove this. So instead of 20 million SHIB, I got 15 million. So now I just swapped that. You just saw that. Now I'm going to go to the bury tokens, and I should have that in there. Is still pending. So once that go ahead and approves, we should be good to go. I'm looking to my transactions. Nothing's happened. And now something just happened. So the green. And here's the Ethernet scan. It's a green success with the transaction information. So I'm going to go to back here. And now I can go ahead and stake this. So I'm going to stake 100% of this. Stake this with my wallet connect and Trust wallet. Bring back my information once again. Want to see where this is at. $9.52. Let's go ahead and approve that as well. And there you go. It's pending right now. So here are the transactions that we just did there to approve. One was $9. One was about $20, right? Okay, so that's pending right there. So my budget that I used, I was going to use $120. So literally what I was going to do is do $120, but I only got 15. So pretty much I got 15. So I went down to about $90, but I had to leave some for fees. So $90, and the fees was probably about 35 of it. So that's okay. That's why you always got a budget for fees. So 15 million. We're adding more, just a small little bag. We're gonna build this bag up. The goal is try to get this up to about, we're gonna try to get this up at least to like 100 million, but we're just gonna build it up very slowly and very easy. So this is how you can buy SHIB when it's on the cheap. When it's low, the fees are okay. I get the fees, but I did budget for those fees. And with that price right there, I mean, come on. So now we have buried this SHIB in here. So we have this already buried now. So we have 3 and 3. So we have almost 20 million SHIB. And I started this count with only 3 million. Only 3 million. Now we brought it up to 19 million, a little bit over 19 million. So you can have a small account and still just keep adding, not financial advice, just keep adding to your bag. Once prices like this, it's hard to argue. So basically, I'm just going to keep adding to this account. This is one of my smaller accounts. And I'm going to continue adding in here. So thank you for watching it. That you saw me swap it and you saw me buried it and you see me smiling because I'm excited about what's going to happen next. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more information for Shibaswap tutorial and more. And I'll see you on the next video.